Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Jenny. How are you guys? Hopefully all of you are fine. I'm also fine. I'm here with one of my new video. In this video I will tell you how you guys can tighten your skin at home with some home remedies. It's so easy to do at home. How you guys can tighten your skin at home. So guys, there are some home remedies which are so effective in tightening your skin. The ingredients are also so easy. We need brown sugar, coconut oil, cinnamon, and coffee. And it's so easy to make at home. Now in a bowl combine the following ingredients: 1/4 cup of coffee, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and half teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now mix all the ingredients together. Now how to apply: using your finger and small circular motions, scrub your face, neck and chest for 3 minutes. Rinse the mixture off using warm water. For best results, apply this scrub once a week. Okay friends, now we have the second recipe. The second recipe is also so easy. The ingredients are also so simple. We need honey in this recipe and egg white. So guys, how to do: mix the egg white with 2 tablespoons of honey and apply it to your face, neck or chest. Leave the mixture on for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, wash off the mask with warm water and pat dry. For best results, use the egg white and honey mask once a week. So guys, these are 2 simple recipes with home remedies which can make your skin tightened at home easily. Now it's the time to say bye bye. Thanks for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel and kindly hit on the bell icon for more useful videos.